started it. Me and my buddy worked on it this weekend, and putting the e-brake on that guy is a pain in the...
Oh, yeah, and that's got, if you're using that car for your road test.
I think I'm using one of your guys' cars.
Are you? Okay, yeah. So everything's going to be set up for you. We'll make sure everything's working on this car. So if you're ready, then we're going to go and do the traffic lights in detail.
Okay.
I guess we can. Could we turn left on Adam? Adams?
You have to turn right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to head into New Sudbury, the road test area.
Okay.
Just so you get familiar with the lights there. So, right turn here, Hebert. Right turn onto 2nd Avenue.
Well, at the end of this class, would I be able to get dropped off at Lowe's because I work at 11?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay.
So you work at Lowe's?
Yeah. I unload the trucks in the back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I used to do that too out in Toronto. Shipping and receiving.
In a big warehouse? Or at a store?
I was at a couple places. I was at Japan Camera, which doesn't exist anymore.
Okay.
And in the shipping and receiving there, as well as, what was the other one? Specialties Graphic Finishing. It was like books, basically. We'd make the books and then package them in boxes and ship them out.
Okay.
It was pretty interesting.
Yeah.
It was pretty hard work though. 12-hour shifts. Start at 6 a.m., finish at 6 p.m. Take me an hour and a half to commute to work and back again. We'll stay to the right here.
Yeah, I was doing some under the table at my stepdad works at a Valley Growers. It's like a potato factory in the valley.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
I was doing under the table there when I was younger, and we had some long shifts there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think it was like a 17-hour shift.
Pick up potatoes?
Yeah, you have to sort the bad ones out that come down conveyors.
Yeah.
And you just throw the bad ones away.
Yeah, that'd be a lot of work.
It wasn't that hard of work because you're just throwing potatoes, but it's just long.
Mm-hmm.
It's repetitive.
So we're okay in this lane. We're gonna go straight at the lights.
Okay.
Yeah, I worked on and off a farm. My stepdad had a family farm out in Inverness, Quebec. When I was a kid, I got to experience farm life for all four different seasons. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
A lot of work though, especially the baling the hay. That was torture. We're gonna go straight here to this light.
Yeah.
In the wintertime, in the pretty much part of the summer, mostly in the fall, we'd go cut the trees down, get the firewood ready, stack them on the side of the trail. All the logs. They were all cut down to size for firewood and stacked on the side of the trail. And then in the wintertime, we'd go pick it up with a horse and a trailer. 2 horses, two big Clydesdales going through the bush with the sled. That was pretty cool. Picking up all the logs with this hook thing. It's like a hook. You grab it like that, throw it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty neat. When you think it's safe and possible, we'll go ahead and make a left lane change. The goal is to make a left turn at the lights up here. timing is everything for getting into these double left turning lanes. You don't want to get in too soon. Approximately where the van just went in there, that's good. And shoulder check too, just to make sure that no one's passing you in that lane. Keep going straight at the three-way. Went down from 50 to 40 here in this area. And then around that school down there, from 40 down to 30, which is really, really slow.
There's a few schools around here.
Yeah. Yeah, this one here's closed. I don't know, you know. But then you got St. Charles and Holy Redeemer too. At the four-way up there, we're gonna make a left turn.
Okay.
And we got these traffic bollards here. Fun stuff. And we're gonna keep going straight at the four-way. So now that's twice there. The textbook style for stopping, you need to stop for 2 seconds just to allow yourself to look left and right before you proceed. And what they want is for just a slight little kickback in their seat, so it's evidence that you've come to a full stop. If they don't feel that little kickback, they're going to think you're still rolling. And also to the stop line, so that the nose of your car doesn't go past it, what you can do is use the bottom of your windshield. When you see the thick white line getting closer and closer to the bottom, as soon as it disappears under your dashboard, you stop and the nose of your car will be right there at the line. We're going to make a left.
Like as soon as it disappears, I want to be stopped?
Yeah.
Okay.
Might feel a little bit too far back, but that you'll see. We're going to make a left turn here at the lights. So just keep an eye on that line. You'll see it get closer and closer to the bottom of the windshield. See how it's getting closer, and then it disappears. Now the nose of your car is right there, right at the line. So now just sit here and watch the traffic slowing down. It looks good, so when the light is green, you know it's safe to go. That's the correct choice of lane, and then you make an automatic right lane change. This lane change you're making now, that's something that they expect you to do. They don't tell you to make the right lane change. At the lights here, we're going to make a right turn. I'm scanning the sidewalk ahead of time, checking the rear view mirror, the crosswalk. Yeah, everything looks good.